Hey, Bearski here. Don't forget to like and subscribe in case you like the video. Anyway, moving on. Meta has acknowledged a firmware update has completely bricked Quest 2, Quest 3, and Quest 3S headsets. But not only did they admit to their F up, they have set up a path to get those headsets replaced. So, if you're one of the many that cannot recover your headset with a factory reset or the Meta update tool, I do have vids on how to do both in case you need it, and links to those are in the description. Go to meta.com/help/quest. This link is also going to be in the description as well as the pinned comment. So once you get into meta.com helps quest, sign in and click on next steps. You will need the serial number of the affected device. If you don't have it, then open a new tab and go to meta.com/help/quest. Click on the account button in the top right. Go to devices on the left. Click on the button to copy the serial number. Then go back to the meta.com help/quest page and click on the next steps button. Click on the headset giving you grief. Paste the serial number in and click look up product. In my case, they either know that my Quest 2 is perfectly fine, which technically is not because I had to use my Meta Dev Hub to get past that Bluetooth bugginess that was happening a while back, or I have to make my own ticket to say my Quest 2 is having problems. Either way, let me know in the comments if you were able to get by and register for your free Quest replacement. Also, for word to the wise, there is a mega thread Reddit post up on the subreddit Oculus Quest. Many with out of warranty Quest are saying Meta is making good on replacing, while others are saying Quest is offering I'm going to do air quotes, cheaper replacement option. So that's the out of warranty special deal thing that they sometimes offer. I mean, a Quest 2 for $100 isn't bad, but really they should be making good that their update broke your device and, it should be on them to replace it. I know there's European laws that forces them to actually replace the headset because it was a problem on their end. And another thing, if you need to know how to contact Meta directly, that will be my next video. This will be emailing, using WhatsApp to text, as well as talking to a live agent. Just be patient. I'm going to be working on that. Hopefully I'll get that out tomorrow. I'm working on it as hard as I can. Also, let me know in the comments if Meta is going to straight up replace your paperweight or if they're going to ask you to pay some sort of fee to get a Quest 2. I've been told it's about $120, or if they're going to say tough luck. Any information helps me. And with that, have a good one, everyone. Bearski out.